guys, ibuhlungu episode it's actually episode 7 season 9. It's so sad, guys. UMakhumalo, how he opened up. And sometimes this thing of opening up, you choose certain people, right? Therapist will keep you look and be like, you know what, I don't care because it mean I'm telling my story and my story is strong and sorry to feel better. And also you must just cry, guys. I always say so that you can be able to take it out and move on. Sometimes uMakhumalo nkosam ayibuhlungu nkosam. This journey yakhe is like so crazy when she was telling uNonto, the therapist, what she went through, what she's been going through. No, guys, I must say, about episode 17 is quite sad because Nomacele, guys, is like, who even says that about another woman? I was just like so taken aback by that. I was like, no, mama, Umacele. Oh, guys, about this one for me. So Umacele actually said, and then she didn't bear any children for Umusa. And then you laugh. Guys, how are we, Tinag, as women, supposed to look at you as Umacele? That just looks the craziest thing for me. It's just like, why NJ towards Umakhumalo? Even if she doesn't really like it, but I guess there's really no need for that. But Mangwabo Shem did open up. And Mangwabo is actually not a noisy person, I realize. Just I think she's fed up, she's tired. That's why out of 3 or 4 wives, she was one of the people who were actually leaving. And I remember her mom saying, Awinda, I was just like, the whole thing, my parents so good. So uyezwa ukuthi uMusa guys uphiciphici bakhe futhi comes out again ukuthi uMusa is actually a xogi, two-faced, this guy. Usho lento la kulomuzi, let's say like another wife, and then usho le kulomuzi. Uyambona ukuthi uMusa kanjani? Uthi uMakhumalo uMacele wayetshela uMusa and uMusa was breaking to her ukuthi oh mina shame uyeza uMakhumalo uzongizalela. So uMacele apparently once said be together nje evukele imimoya yakhe naye wathi awubuke khona manje bangibrekela mina bathi uzozala wena kubuka uzali bahleke maqedwe. Guys, like who even gets off like that? So it's just like lo baba lo guys. Kodwa nje what I'm picking up even nakuMangwabe, there's a lot going on, there's anger guys. Bakwatile labo baba akazi lethi sophela lapha emshado. This is simple. It's not gonna end well though. But for the past 3 weeks, I've always said also, you know what, no Musa fanele abone ukuthi uphuma kanjani, la fanele fixe kukonakelela. Konakele kakhulu. Futhi at the same time, you cannot futhi judge Macele about the stuff that Musa was saying to them. Now I feel oh okay, mina sengizele futhi vele sengiqedile, there's no other, I can't give you 10 children. So Makhumalo will just give you the rest. Uyabona manje ukuthi kanjani, and then uyambona uMacele naye unale yanto ukuthi you know what nangu lusefikile nangu futhi akazali, like what's going on there guys? This is just not nice. And Musa's doing, mina I've always said ukuthi nje babona benje labo mama bebukana phansi naphezulu, like how Macele was bukaring them phansi naphezulu the other day when they were coming in a stimela ecela umayeni phambili. What she was just like menzani like kuba uMusa who created that. And what I picked up ngoMusa when he was talking to uNonto Beko, the therapist, akathanda criticism. Umusa ufuna ukuthi oh you're the best, but he's not the best. And you don't want to be the best umuntu guys. No one is perfect. And it's fine. And the reason why you actually brought the wives to the retreat was to hear their views. What is their unhappiness? And then no they came out and they were just like, you know what, actually this is 1, 2, and 3 actually in fact now we so we can't. And then come on it does Musa no labo mama fanele ba understand ukuthi ena it's Thembu, it's not my man, it's our man. Like Honestly, guys. Mark my words. Yabona uMakhumalo usazoyithola ingane. uMakhumalo phela usesemncane, guys. Yeah, usazoyithola. 37, 38, you still gonna have children. Ukuthi otherwise mina indlela engiyithatha ngayo, guys, indaba yey'ngane is that manifestation nje, any manifestation. If you want something, be desperate. It doesn't come at the time you want it. And also, guys, these things, how they work is that it's God's timing. Eh? They must just leave Makhumalo. Namanje, she must just be in a zone and calm down and just pray about it. Love her. Just abeke izinto zakhe uNkulunkulu and be like, God, you know what? Uyasazi wena sakhe isikhathi. Mawufuna unginika le ngane ngina 39 or ngina 40, please let it be. That's the only way. And uzothola ukuphumula uMakhumalo, ngiyakutshela, she will have this child. When we also least expect it. Ibuhlungu into kaMakhumalo, guys. I don't want to lie. Athi yazi mina emshadweni I was fine for a long time. We jolly, you know, I was happy. Hayi, but ngiyabona mani ukuthi you know what la kunenkinga labo mama bakhuluma ngamazi. But angiyitholi ingane and it just didn't sit well with me. Hayi uMaceleke vele yena ke nje wavele wami. Phahluka. She was just like, when they went, they were in the same car. She was just like, I swear. In any case, Tina, we were told they were bragging. They were just like, Musa was just like, yes, I mean, you know, like, that's not right, guys. It's so wrong in so many ways. And how we look at it, Tina, as uMzansi, we feel like, okay, uMakhumalo, because obviously, I mean, there's going to be segregation. There's going to be a lot of views around how uMacele actually is thinking. So, uma isaqala uMacele esho lezi zinto, uthi hayi thina babesibrekela, and as it is now, awukwazi ukuzala wena. You can't bear children for uMusa, and then he was the same person who was bragging to us. Ukuthi, oh, mina uMakhumalo wami, plus she's young, oh my gosh, like, uzongitholela ingane. When she couldn't, and then my thing is that then uMacele, in a way, ngathi manje siyamhleka. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo ukuthi awuyitholi ingane, and then look at you now. And thina simbuka kanjani uMacele manje, simbuka njengomuntu omubi. And there's been the thing yokuthi uMacele unale yanto nje yokungabi right nasemoyeni nje as a person. She's not necessarily a nice person. So now she comes off as that person ongekho right, who was just like, you know what, infecting just for that thing. Ngathi manje futhi nami I'm one of the people abambe ngenhliziyo ukuthi ungayitholi lezo ingane. Uyayibona manje ukuthi ibuke kanjani. Guys, uMusa, the stuff that she is created here with these wives is on another level. The beef here with my wives uMacele nje wakhe nje umhlaba eyi1. And most people bathanda ukumdonsa bathi hayi anayo futhi nenhliziyo enhle lo akasiyeke. Cabanga. Lalela guys, nalento nje kaMacele ukuthi asazamtshela kanjalo uMakhumalo in front of people ukuthi you can't have children. The one thing you came for here, you can't even do for our husband. Okay, guys. And then someone was even saying ukuthi, you know what, actually in the comments someone was even saying ukuthi yazi ukuthi uMakhwela mhlambe nje waletha uMacele just to annoy the other wives. So yes, guys, the stuff that's happening, that's the stuff that people do. Yeah, sazama ukum-understand uMacele where she's coming from, right? Why you got the jello Musa, but do you repeat that every time and wrap it in kuMakhumalo ukuthi lalela, you can't have children, babethe hey uzozala kwenzakalani? Guys, I'm just like I said, taken aback. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. To be siqhubeka futhi later ngawo futhi episode 17 sasekuningi okunye mhlambe sisazokusha. I thank you guys, ngithanda over.